Over the last 7 years, I've completely changed the way that I spend money, and it has saved me thousands of dollars. Once I started tracking my expenses, I saw how much money I was spending on things that really didn't even matter. Today, I'm sharing 7 things that I stopped buying to declutter my finances and put more money back into my pocket. Keep in mind, these aren't extreme cuts. They're just simple habit changes that make a big difference in the long run. Number 1, luxury hotels. I used to love spending money on a nice hotel room. Then I realized Airbnb, you get a whole house and it's the same price or less. I stopped spending on luxury hotels, either get a cheap hotel or Airbnb. Number 2, physical books. I used to get all these ads on social media about, oh, here's my book. Oh, that's exciting. I'm gonna read this book, take all this information, learn it. And then the book just sat on my shelf. I never read it. What really changed is when I started buying audiobooks and I could listen to them while I was walking, while I was driving, when I was doing other things. So then I actually got the information out. As great as books are, for me, I wasn't actually taking advantage. So therefore I stopped buying them, saved that money, and redirected it somewhere else. Number 3, I stopped overpaying for car insurance. And this might sound crazy, but when I first got my car insurance, I just found the local guy, got my car insurance, and that was it. I never even read my policy. When I had an expert team do an in-depth analysis on which company I should be with because of my car, my age, all those things, I saved so much money, it's insane. Number 4, single-use clothing. I used to go out and I would buy a specific shirt and wear it to an event, or I would buy a jacket and wear it to an event or something like that. I would buy clothes and wear them one time. And I'm sure I'm not alone. We all have things that we bought and we wore maybe once and then we just put it in the closet and we never wore it again. So making sure that I buy clothes I can wear for many occasions and wear them for a long time saved me a ton of money. Number 5, and this one really gets to me, not going to the movies. When I found that on average we were going to the movies once or twice a month, and every time my wife and I go out to the movies, it's $75. $22 per ticket, so that's $44. Then we each buy a snack, we buy a little drink, something like that. By the time you're done, you're at $70, $75 to watch a movie. Then you buy that same movie on Amazon Prime, you rent it for $4.99 or $20, depending on where you live. I just saved $50. We got to watch the same movie, eat as many snacks we want, go to the bathroom whenever we wanted, and have nobody talking through the movie. Number 6, this is a massive one. I stopped buying investments I didn't understand. I only buy investments or put money into places that I understand what's going on, because I get sold the dream like everyone else. Hey, put your money over here, buy this stock, buy this crypto, invest in this business opportunity. And then you put all this money in thinking you're gonna get rich and you lose everything. I've done that on more than one occasion. So by simply not investing in things that I don't understand, I save a lot of money. Number 7, and if you don't do this, or if you say that you don't do this, then you lie about other things too, because this is one of the biggest money crushers that I've ever seen. This is impulse sale buying. So you get this feeling, you're like, oh, it's on sale, I'm saving money, let me go ahead and buy it. Or, oh, I need this, oh, that would be so cool. Those impulse buying decisions are keeping most Americans poor. And the reason I say that is because delayed gratification is easy in concept, but hard in practice. The big tip here on the impulse, to stop the impulse, sleep on your major decisions. That'll eliminate 90% of impulse buying. If you just sleep one night in between seeing the sale or seeing the opportunity, sleep on it for one night, decrease your expenses by a lot. These are just a few of the changes and things I've stopped buying. And I don't want you to look at this as deprivation of, oh, I can't do these things, but simply bring awareness to the fact of how much these things are actually costing you and if they really matter. If you found this helpful, here's what to do next. First, go watch my other video on how to manage your money like the 1%. And second, and if you're ready for a deeper look into your own personal strategy, our team offers a free wealth optimization session to help you find any missed opportunities in your plan. You'll see both links in the description below. Thanks for watching and being a part of the conversation. Please don't forget to subscribe and share in the comments one thing that you decided to stop buying that saved you a bunch of money. Remember, Mindful spending isn't about restriction. It's about control and clarity. See you in the next one.